Hello and welcome to another phonics lesson for the week of April 27th, 2020. This week we will review high frequency words, prefixes, and homophones. So today is our day one, our first day of phonics this week. And for our mini lesson, you will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil when we work on phonics. Now it's time for our high frequency word warm-up. Remember, high frequency words are words that we use very often, but a lot of times they don't play fair, meaning that, for instance, the high frequency word was. If it played fair, it would be spelled w-a-z, so W-U-Z. Well, we all know that was is spelled W-A-S. So high frequency words a lot of times do not play fair. We just need to know how to spell them just by memorizing a lot of times, okay? And just reading it a lot and it gets stuck in our brain. So we're going to start with our high frequency words, and remember when we read our words, we say it, then we spell it, and then we write it. Okay, so we say it, we spell it, we write it. If during the writing time you need more time, just pause me and then you can write it at your own pace. Okay, here's our first word. Say it. Should. Spell it. S-H-O-U-L-D. Write it. Say it. America. Spell it. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. Write it. I'm going to stop us, but because America is a country and it's a proper noun, so it does need to be capitalized. So if you write it and it's lowercase, you will need to switch it to a capital A. All right? Our next word, say it, world. Spell it. W-O-R-L-D. Write it. Say it. High. H-I-G-H. Oops, I kind of went fast there. So we said it. High. Spell it. H-I-G-H. Write it. Say it. Every. Spell it. E-V-E-R-Y. Write it. Say it. Near. Spell it. N-E-A-R. Write it. Say it. Add. Spell it. A-D-D. Write it. Say it. Food. Spell it. F-O-O-D. Write it. Say it. Between. Spell it. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Write it. Say it. Own. Spell it. O-W-N. Write it. Thank you for participating in today's phonics lesson. I hope you have a terrific day.